Cash App sponsor request limit. So if your sponsor request limit has reached and you want to understand what are the sponsor request limit, first of all, Cash App sponsored accounts have these limits: send, receive and request USD payments up to $1,000 per 30 days, right? So that's the first one. You can cash out from balance $25,000 per 7 days. You can add cash to cash balance up to $7,500 per 30 days. Paper money deposit $250 per 7 days, $1,000 per 30 days. Bitcoin up to $400 per 30 days for buying, accepting gifts, getting paid in and round up. Stocks up to $400 per 30 days for buying, accepting gifts and round up. Now, sponsors can set stock buy limits for their sponsored accounts ranging from $5 to $400 per rolling month. The limit includes combined activity for buying stocks, accepting stock gifts, and roundups. Sponsors can also turn the stocks feature on or off for a sponsored account at any time. You can also find your limits in the Cash App by simply tapping the profile icon from the top right, then going to the limits section that you'd be able to find here to view your current limits. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.